This video will help you through the process of investing in an SIP through our mobile app. Let's get started. Once you log into our app, you will be able to see your dashboard. Click on the menu. Click on Invest, then Mutual Funds, then SIP. Type in the name of the fund you want to invest in into the search bar. Click on the blue plus icon to add the fund. Once done, click on Proceed to Basket. Enter in your SIP amount. Select the SIP date. However, if you want to invest only for a fixed number of months from now, click on SIP duration and select the number of months. The SIP will continue until cancelled as default. Please note that the amount will be debited only if the mandate has been enabled. To check if it has been enabled, see if it shows available along with the daily limit. Else, you would have to raise a mandate. Please contact our customer service executive if so. Once done, click on Proceed to Invest. Once you verify all the details, tick the Terms and Conditions checkbox and click Confirm. You will now see a pop-up. To make your first investment now, click on Yes. You will be taken to the payment page and provided with 4 different payment options. However, if you want to make your investment later on, you can select No. Congratulations! Your SIP has been set up. To view your active SIPs, click on the menu icon, then Current SIPs. Click on an SIP to see its details. For other queries, please send a mail to contact@fundsindia.com or click on Talk to Us and submit your query. Thank you for investing with us. Hope this video was helpful and made the process easier.